Alright, hello folks. This is me here. I just showing a couple of things that I've been working on. Starting to give the software thing out of the thought and become a mean person at this. A knight of one at this. A great person at this and a master of this. If you know what I mean. Too much things to abbreviate. Alright, so this here was my total my total HTML kit I'm developing here. So I'm practicing to make a full set. So I just made up one called Cassie's cakes as you see in here. So I just have the language of the English, the chart set, and the name, keywords, and the content of cake heaven, get the best cake, get cakes. I might add in some more later on, but that's all I add for now. Yeah, so and then the title and the cakes and the viewport and the that to make it a little bit more responsive for the phone category, and and I just get a lot of things, my icon, and just my code there, first name, last name. So I'm still going through. I ain't finished it yet, but I'm still making it. So let's just take a look at it. So this is it here. This is it here. My email, login. See, login, email. Welcome to Cassie's Cakes, Cake Land, sweetheart. I get the home button here. Yeah, so this is the top piece I've been working on. I ain't finished designing the rest of it yet. And then to make my other pages on a footer, trying to make the first page look beautiful. So yeah. So that's me doing my thing. So I'm getting real down into this creativeness with software. And after I get down with software, I'm going in and learn some courses from, if not Udemy, edX or Coursera. I can't even afford Audacity right now, but Audacity seems to have some great thing, and then this seems good. I just see I got a free thing on Brilliant. I'm going to be learning some mechanics, like classical mechanics, so when I'm ready to build my drones and all that stuff, thing. I'm gonna be doing a lot of amazing things. So this is just one that I am doing here, and this is one of the amazing things that I'm doing. I would like to try the hacking. I don't have a hacking course they downloaded, save on my profile. I didn't do it yet, but I will, and I'm going to. So that's what I was just be talking about, right? So as you can see there, I have the Cassie's cake. You could give me some feedback on how you find, I could adjust my cake on local, but I'll show you the finished product sometime soon to come. I just just be doing, my live heads up and coding. So you know, it's catch me. It's a dog. It's a boy. Should I say my name? Yeah, my name is Alloy Jack. Don't make fun of it, but Alloy Jack. Anyway, it's a boy on stock of the stock on beanstalk. Yum. Nah, I'm out. Yeah, so catch you later, guys. You know, see you.